Ever pondered what the future holds for in-car entertainment? Will it still be about radio channels and music playlists, or is there something more exciting brewing? In-car entertainment has come a long way, from the humble beginnings of AM radio to cassette players to CDs and DVDs and now streaming services. These advancements have made our journeys more enjoyable, turning the car into a mobile entertainment hub. But as we look to the future, it's clear that this is just the beginning. The real game changer, artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to completely revolutionize in-car entertainment, making it more personalized, more immersive, and more interactive than ever before. Imagine a system that knows your preferences, anticipates your needs, and even interacts with you in real time. That's the power of AI. So buckle up and get ready for a ride, because in the era of artificial intelligence, the future of in-car entertainment is set to be a lot more personalized, interactive, and advanced than we could ever imagine. To understand the potential impact of AI on in-car entertainment, let's dive into a real-world example. Picture this. You're in a Tesla, one of the most innovative automotive companies of our time. Tesla isn't just transforming the way we drive, but also how we entertain ourselves while on the road. One of the standout features of Tesla's vehicles is the in-car gaming system, a feature that's powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't your ordinary gaming system, it's a personalized entertainment hub. Using AI, the system learns your preferences, tailoring games and entertainment options to match your tastes. Imagine winding down after a long day with your favorite game, or getting lost in an immersive world during a lengthy road trip. The AI ensures that whatever the situation, you have entertainment options that fit just right. But it's not all about fun and games. Safety is paramount, and this is where artificial intelligence